what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video we're talking all about 3D tracking inside of Adobe After Effects. Now 3D tracking is a variation of motion tracking, and we've already talked about motion tracking on this channel several times before. So what's the difference between normal single point motion tracking and 3D motion tracking? Now the main difference between single point and 3D motion tracking is 3D motion tracking is almost entirely automated, and it is a lot quicker and easier to do. Now for those that might not have seen the single point motion tracking video, motion tracking is basically the process of your computer reading your camera movement, creating tracking points and using that data to add images, text or video onto that existing layer and making it part of the scene. So once you have some footage that you want to complete this effect on, we're going to load up Adobe After Effects and complete some 3D motion tracking. So once we've launched up Adobe After Effects and we have our footage imported, we want to go to the Effects and Presets tab and search for 3D Camera Tracker. Drop the camera tracker on top of the footage and this is automatically going to analyze the footage for you. Now as you'll see, once the computer has finished analyzing your footage, it will generate these tracking points, and if we highlight and hover over these tracking points, you can see big red targets appear. And these are basically used to position your object within the frame. So I want to add some text on top of the canvas, so I'm going to select a tracking point and a target that aligns it with the orientation of the wall. So let's select this tracking point and double click on the point itself, and we'll create a brand new text and camera. Now if we play this, you can see that that text is perfectly stuck, perfectly tracked to the canvas. And the really cool thing is we can go ahead and we can change what the text says. So if we double click on text, let's rename this to Brooker Films. And then by using the green, blue and red arrow, we can change the position of this text layer within the X, Y and Z axis. If we go up to the top left and press the rotation tool, we can do the same thing again. We can rotate the text layer in the X, Y and Z axis, and then we can get this to a point where the text blends with the shot. And now if we pull this back to the very beginning, you can see that this text has perfectly stuck to the shot despite all of the camera shake within the shot. And there you go, that is how you use the 3D camera tracker within Adobe After Effects. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe by pressing that circle icon up there. And also, don't forget to check out the previous video by clicking this rectangle icon just down here.